Guys, can you watch my husband first? Just watch my husband, okay? I'll be back.
What the fuck is this?
Nagawa ko milagro yung asawa mo. Ang ganda-ganda kasi Jackie.
What was this?
Ay, nako.
I got something for you. What the hell is this?
What happened?
I don't know what the frick.
Did you guys watch him? What'd you do?
What?